Today is going to be a very fun and cozy video because I'm finally unboxing the Ariete Party Time 1.0 hot air popcorn machine, and honestly I have been excited about this for a while because what is better than watching your favorite TV show with a fresh popcorn at home? Exactly, nothing. In this video I'll be unboxing the machine, showing you the special popcorn buckets I got for it, testing how it works, and of course making popcorn for the very first time. So let's get started. First impressions, I already love how this machine looks. It has a really fun retro style that immediately reminds me of a real cinema popcorn machine, and honestly, the red color makes it look even more playful and cozy. Inside the box, we have the popcorn machine itself, the top cover, and the measuring spoon for the popcorn kernels. Everything is simple and easy to set up, which I really appreciate. But wait, I didn't stop with just the machine. I also got these special popcorn buckets, and honestly, they make everything feel even more like a movie night. I know it sounds silly, but small details like this actually make the experience much more fun. Now, it really feels like we are opening a mini cinema at home. One thing I already like about this machine is that it uses hot air instead of oil, so the popcorn feels lighter, less greasy, and easier to make. And the process is actually very simple. You just add the popcorn kernels, place the light, turn the machine on, and wait for the magic to happen. Oh, it's starting! Actually, it's louder than I expected. There it is! The first popcorn! I'm not going to lie, this is very satisfying to watch. It really feels like having a tiny cinema machine at home, and it worked surprisingly fast too. The popcorn starts coming out almost immediately, and it's honestly fun just watching it fly into the bowl. One thing I like is that the machine feels very easy to use. You don't need complicated settings or buttons. It's simple, beginner friendly, and perfect for cozy movie nights. And because it uses hot air, the cleanup is also much easier compared to traditional popcorn methods, which is very important because nobody likes cleaning oily messes. Okay, moment of truth. Oh wow, actually this is really good. Fresh popcorn at home just tastes different, and it feels warmer, crispier, and much more fun than microwave popcorn. And honestly, the smell alone already makes the whole room feel cozy. And now, the best part of the evening: fresh popcorn, a cozy setup, and my favorite Bulgarian TV show. Honestly, this is exactly the kind of relaxing evening I love. I think this popcorn machine is going to make movie nights much more fun from now on. And yes, the popcorn buckets definitely make me feel like I'm in real cinema. Overall, I'm really happy with the Ariete Party Time 1.0 popcorn machine. It is fun, simple to use, and perfect for movie lovers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what is your favorite snack during movie night. And I will see you in the next video.